From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. Akpabio denies sexual harassment as Senator Natasha submits fresh petition. Naira appreciates by 0.48% at official market. 40-day Lent begins with Ash Wednesday. Now the news in detail. Senate President Akpabio has denied allegation of sexual harassment brought against him by Senator Natasha Akpabio. He reacted to the allegations on Wednesday at the resumption of plenary in the Senate after a week's recess. Dismissing the allegations, Senator Akpabio said,
"However, I would like to state clearly that at no time did I ever attempt any sexual harassment on the said distinguished Senator Akpabio or any other woman for that matter."
However, immediately after his remarks, Senator Akpabio raised the petition under Order 40, accusing the Senate President of sexual harassment and abuse of office. She requested permission to step forward and formally lay the petition before the chamber. The Senate subsequently referred the petition to the Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Code of Conduct, directing it to review the matter as soon as possible. The Senate President said he had been inundated with calls on the matter and that he was aware of the growing social media discourse, urged Nigerians, the media and social media users to refrain from drawing conclusions and instead await the court's decision on the matter. The dispute over the seat has sparked tensions within the Senate, leading to the allegations of sexual harassment by Senator Akpabio. In other news, the Naira appreciated on Tuesday at the official market, trading at 1,491.67 Naira to $1. Data from the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) website showed that the Naira gained 7.31 Naira. This represents a 0.48% increase from 1,498.98 per dollar recorded on Monday. The Naira has enjoyed relative stability against dollar since December 2024 due to sustained reforms by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN). The reforms are aimed at ensuring transparency in the foreign exchange (FX) market. However, this has generated mixed reactions online, with some hoping Naira will keep appreciating and while some still panicking about the rate of the dollar. And lastly for tonight, Lent, one of the most significant periods in the Christian liturgical calendar, begins today, March 5th, 2025, with the observance of Ash Wednesday. This 40-day season, excluding Sundays, is dedicated to fasting, prayer, and almsgiving, leading up to the celebration of Easter on April 20th. The duration of Lent reflects the 40 days Jesus Christ spent fasting in the desert, a period marked by reflection, sacrifice, and spiritual preparation. On Ash Wednesday, millions of Christians worldwide attend church services to receive ashes on their foreheads in the shape of a cross. The timing of Lent changes each year based on the date of Easter, which is determined by the lunar calendar. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.